This is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Tuesday, August 3rd, 2010. The Dow was down 38 points at 10,636, the S&P down 5 to 1120, and the NASDAQ down 12 to 2283. Both the S&P and the NASDAQ were down 0.5%, and the Dow was down 1/3%. Gold was up $1.80 to $11.85, and oil, the big winner of the day, was up $1.05 to $82.39, up 1 1/3%. The big story, though, is volume. Volume was way down. It was extremely light, and it was down over 34% on the New York Stock Exchange and down 26% on the NASDAQ. Over on the economic front, personal income was flat, and surveys expected a 0.2% increase. Personal spending was also flat, with expectations of a 0.1% increase. So we are slowing down. In addition, pending home sales were down negative 0.26%. Expectations were supposed to be up 4%. You can't have a good economic recovery and a good stock market without a recovering housing market, or at least a stabilizing housing market. In fact, if you look at a graph of the S&P 500 and home equity prices, they're very highly correlated. Over in Europe, it was marginally lower for the most part. The Euro Stoxx 50, along with France and Italy, all down between 0.1% and 0.25%. The UK was flat, and Germany and Switzerland were both up 0.25%. Spain, that fiscally responsible country, was up 1/3%. The big story over in Europe, Deutsche Bank net income rose 23%. But are they the Goldman Sachs of Europe? There's a lot of talk about how they underwrote and sold housing real estate deals to some clients and then advised other clients to short those same securities. Sound familiar? Also, Europe and Russia are in a huge drought. Their crops are getting burned badly, no pun intended. Wheat commodities are going way up. Over in Asia, Asia was mixed. Japan was up 1.25%. Shanghai was down 1 3/4. Indonesia down 2 3/4. Hong Kong and India were up marginally. The big thing to watch over in Asia, Asian manufacturing continues to slow. And China, for the first time since the recovery in early '09, saw their manufacturing actually contract and shrink. China is supposed to be the growth engine to lead the world out of recovery. So you need to stay tuned for the Asian story. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Tuesday, August 3rd, 2010.